Hi there, it's Sherry from Twitter Painted with Paper, and today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute little Ghirardelli treat holder. And to get started, we're going to be using the You're the Sweetest sentiment from the Honey Bear clear stamp set. I'll be using the strip sentiment from the horizontal pocket die, the Mandala Doily Die, beautiful die, and the Shabby Flourishes Die, the Stump with Twig Die, and the Scalloped Heart Die. It comes in two pieces. We'll be using both of those. And I'm going to be using one of the pieces of paper from the Love You More pattern paper pack. And I'm going to set all of that aside and we'll go ahead and get started. So we will start out by folding diagonally, corner to corner, until you get a triangle. And I'll be using the bone folder to get a nice crease. And then I'll just fold it down to meet that one fold. This is such an easy little treat holder to put together. It's fast and easy and would be great mass-produced. I don't know if I'd want to make one for a whole classroom, but you certainly could. Anyway, so fold in the next side, and so we're forming this cute little pocket. Again, just using the bone folder to get nice creases, and I've got a nice little pocket going, so that's where the Ghirardelli treat will fit into, and there we go. That's how easy it is. So it's already cute, but we're going to go ahead and decorate it and make it cute for Valentine's Day. And I'm using the die cut that was cut with Mandala Doily Die, and I'm going to trim it down to size. So when I get done trimming it down, it is going to be about 3 3/4 by 1 3/4 inches wide. And I'm sorry, 1 3/4 inches tall by 3 3/4 inches wide. You'll just trim it down to fit. And I'll use a little liquid adhesive to attach that to the inside of the pocket. It's a delicate doily die, so you want to be careful about where you place the glue, of course. And make sure that's oh so cute already. I like that. Okay. But we're going to add our hearts. So I cut out of gold glitter paper the Scalloped Die, and the smaller die I cut out of pink paper to match my pattern paper, of course. I'm just going to glue those two pieces together. When you glue these two pieces together, make sure that you're not gluing the sides of the heart, because we want to be able to tuck the flourish pieces behind that to kind of decorate the hearts. And add enough liquid adhesive that it stays tacked down. You'll see I don't. We'll go back a little bit later and add some more liquid adhesive. Set that down. And I'm going to trim these two pieces down so that they fit better. And then I also have these other two pieces that fit perfectly. Again, those were the Stump with Twig Die and then the Shabby Flourishes Die. So I'm just trimming them down to fit. Add a little bit more adhesive. This is the fun part, right, where we get to fiddle around and see what looks best. And a bit uniform on both sides, and then we just have to add the other two little pieces, and that'll be it. Like I said, this is so easy to put together. And after we do this last one, then we just get to add our sentiment and we'll be finished. And see, I didn't add enough adhesive to the heart, so I'm going to add a lot more. I think just fiddling around with the flourishes kind of popped it up. So I'm tacking that down a little bit more, pressing down. And now for my sentiment. So I've used gold embossing powder to heat emboss my sentiment. And I'm going to go ahead and make flags on each side of the cinnamon strip. Just by cutting in to the center from each corner, and it creates this cute little flag shape. And then I'm going to fiddle around with this until I get it kind of in the shape that I want, so it looks like a ribbon. And a pen certainly works better than the scissors, but I had the scissors nearby, so that's what I'm working with. You got to use what you have around, right? Okay, so I'm tacking that down and add a little bit more glue down here. And that's it. So our little treat fits nicely inside. Super easy. I hope you'll make one. Thanks so much for stopping by.